Hi, and welcome back to the final point in this unit of organic chemistry and inquiry question about polymers. And today, the type of condensation polymer we're going to talk about is polyester. Now, polyester's made a huge insurgence into the market, and it's very popular with regards to our synthetic clothing. So, not our natural fibers, but our synthetic clothing. But when we talk about polyesters, again, the name is a real hint. So we've got the poly, many, and then we've got the word esters, and that looking back to where we've been, you know that esters have that ester linkage, which is going to be similar here. And we know that our esters are formed from a reaction from a carboxylic acid and also a hydroxyl group. And usually what is happening is it's usually formed by a dicarboxylic acid. So again, the two carboxylic acid groups with a diol, so two alcohol group monomers. So let's have a look at an example. So here we've got two monomers. One of them on the left, we've got the benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. So again, here's our carboxylic acid group here and also over here. And here we've got our diol with one hydroxyl group on this side and a hydroxyl group on the other side. So when these two combine together, we also get a water molecule released, hence the name condensation polymers. And similar to the reactions we get, we are getting that ester forming, and it repeats itself, so it becomes a polyester, and that water molecule is then released from there. So these guys have got really good strength, elasticity again, electrical resistance. Now, the common one that we often find, it's marketed as PET in our plastics form, but when it's sold as actually a fiber in terms of clothing and so forth, it's actually terylene. I must admit I haven't really heard much about terylene, but certainly Dacron we have. What I'm going to ask that you do is have a little bit more of a research on polyester and some of the properties they do have and how those properties relate to their uses. Similar to that question we have been doing in class, where we are relating the structure to the properties to their uses. I want you to investigate and find out how does their structure impact their properties and hence their uses. Again, filling in all of these in the table in the back of your booklet, and then we'll have a go at answering some questions in class. See you then.